In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a free account on Pandadoc using Google. Our journey today begins with a simple Google search, and I'll guide you through each step of the process to make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to head over to Google. Once you're there, type in Pandadoc Free into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see Pandadoc's free electronic signature software page pop up in your search results. This page is your gateway to setting up your free account, so go ahead and click on that link to open it. Now that you've landed on the Pandadoc page, look for a button that says Create Free Account. This is usually featured prominently on the page, making it easy for you to find, and it's your next step forward. Click on that button to proceed to the account creation process. Once you've clicked through, you'll be prompted to fill out a form with all the necessary information to set up your free account. This form is crucial for tailoring the Pandadoc experience to your needs, so let's walk through what you need to enter step by step. Begin by filling in your first and last names. Next, enter your company name and determine the size of your company based on their categories. Consider your company's industry. Choosing the accurate industry ensures that you get the best experience possible. After this, provide a work email that you have access to, and lastly, create a strong password. Remember, using unique and complex passwords is always a good security measure. With all of your details entered, you're almost there. Review the information to make sure everything is correctly filled out. Double-checking here can save you some trouble later on. If everything looks good, there's a final step on this page. You'll find a button labeled Start Using Pandadoc. Clicking this button will take you to the Pandadoc dashboard, but before that, you might receive a verification email. Be sure to check your inbox. This is a way for Pandadoc to verify and secure your account. And just like that, you've created a new free account with Pandadoc. You're now ready to explore the features Pandadoc offers and start utilizing their electronic signature software for your business needs. This process is simple and designed to get you up and running quickly, allowing you to focus on what matters most, using Pandadoc to streamline your document signing process. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel confident in setting up your Pandadoc account. Enjoy exploring Pandadoc and making the most of its versatile tools. If you have any questions or further issues, their support section is a great resource.